Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst maintains buy on Radico Khaitan with an unchanged price target of Rs 2080. The company's Rampur distillery announces the launch of the Kohinoor Reserve Indian Dark Rum, which is another addition to its premium portfolio. Contribution to overall sales volume has crossed 40% and it expects it to reach close to 50% in the coming years. Premiumization will drive consistent strong double-digit earnings growth and the support of backward integration in the coming years. Margins have bottomed out and we should expect consistent improvement in profitability and cash flows in the coming years. The stock trades at 48 times FY25 and 40 times FY26 estimated earnings. Next we cover Indian hotels. Our analyst retains a buy on Indian hotels with a revised price target of Rs 679. FY24 is expected to be another strong year for Indian hotels with high room demand and ARRs driving double-digit earning growth. Momentum to continue in FY25 with multiple drivers in place. Company is focusing on strategies that will drive Indian hotels' next phase of growth, including launch of new brands and exploring opportunities in the emerging segments. Along with focused strategies, Indian Hotel is planning to open 25 new hotels every year versus earlier target of 15 to 20 hotels per annum. The stock trades at 27 times its FY25 and 22 times its FY26 estimated EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.